Gamer here. So today we're going to go ahead and take a closer look at the new Nintendo Labo for the Nintendo Switch. So as you can see here, I have the Variety Kit, and this is the Toy-Con 1. And then in the smaller box, I have this customization set. So let's just go ahead, open it up, put it together, and see exactly how this works. All right. So here we just open up this box right here. You see it says get started. So this right here is the actual gameplay. So I'll have to open this up, load it into my Switch, and then we can go from there. So when I actually put in the Nintendo Labo cartridge into the Switch, it actually had to update both of these controllers. So now it's ready to go ahead and play. So let's start out with the Make category, and let's go ahead and start. So first we see this bag right here with some string, and it looks like rubber bands. So we'll just set those aside. So first we have this sheet right here. Let's go ahead and punch all of these out, and let's begin. Alright, so next we have this RC car right here. So right here we have the first one put together. Here we have the antenna that goes ahead and sits right on top of this Nintendo Switch right here. And then we have the two controllers, which when you put them on each side of this RC car, you look at this screen and you press these buttons right here to go ahead and control it. And it works based off of vibrations from the controller, and right here it just goes ahead and vibrates and moves. And the cool thing that I just noticed that I'm really excited for now is right here, I didn't notice what this was at first, this little green image right here. It's actually this controller right here. It has a camera in it. So when you press these buttons right here, it shows you on this screen exactly what you're seeing. So you can go ahead and take this and just cruise it around your place, and you can actually watch and see where you're going right here. So I think this is really neat, and the image comes through pretty well. It looks like night vision, so it's in green, but you can actually see my face on here, and I'm pretty excited to go ahead and test this out and just give it a try and see what I can go ahead and get into. So that's really exciting for me. Now let's go ahead and see what else is in the box. So next we have the Toy-Con fishing rod. And it looks like there's actually quite a few cardboard pieces in here. So it goes A through F. So we actually have a bunch that we have to put together. Alright, so here we have the fishing rod. As you just saw, I put the Joy-Con controller here, then I have one here, and then you just put the switch right here, and now we can go ahead and try this out. So this looks pretty cool, and it moves along very nicely. So you just go ahead and drop the string into the ocean. So that's pretty neat how that works. So next up we have the Toy-Con house, and I'm not exactly sure what that one is. So let's go ahead and put it together. Then if we take a look at it, once again there are multiple pages. So there is an A, B, C, and D. So now we have the house built with these key attachments. So let's try and figure out exactly how this works. So it says to put the Nintendo Switch console in here, just like that. Then we'll just fast forward here. And then we have both of these Joy-Cons. So we'll put this one right here. Now it says the Toy-Con house is complete. So let's go ahead and play this one and see exactly what it's like. Okay, so that turns on and off the lights. Then we have this one right here. And it turns this around. Then we have this water right here. So that one's different. And then it does the same thing on this side as well. So this is a little different. So I'll have to go ahead and try this out and see exactly what else this little house thing does. So on to the next one. We are going to make the Con Motorbike. Now I'm actually really excited for this one because I'm really into racing games and this one looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So I noticed that this one also has tons of cardboard pieces, more than the others. So hopefully it's not as difficult to put together. So let's move right along. motorbike works. It says that this just slides right on in here. And then we add the Joy-Cons. We just secure that one in place. Then we go ahead and secure the other one in here. Alright, and it says the Toy-Con motorbike is ready. Alright, so that was actually really fun. And the steering and everything works very well. So I have a feeling that this is going to be one of my favorites. Alright, so here we move on to our last piece right here. This one is the piano. So let's take out the remainder of these sheets. Alright, so we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. and this is actually complete now. So here are all the keys that go with it. So what you do is end up putting this Switch console right here, and then you put this Joy-Con controller right here. This Toy-Con is actually ready to use. Then number 2. Then number 3. And then the surprise one. So as you can tell, this was very time consuming, but I'm actually pretty excited to try these out. I'm really excited for this race car right here, and then this fishing rod, and then the motorbike, the piano, and the house. I'd like to try each of these out a little bit more and kind of see what they all have to offer, and see if any of them are a little bit more detailed than what I've already showed you today. So let's check out this last piece right here. So this is the customization set. So if we just go ahead and open this up, we go ahead and see what's in here. So it looks like we have all kinds of different stickers that we can go ahead and put on each of these items here. And then there is some Nintendo Labo tape. And then there's some colorful tape here. So this is pretty neat. I'll have to go ahead and customize my Nintendo Labo set. And we'll see if they release any of these in the future. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and go ahead and check out my other videos.